After ability, there are a couple of more coins like Matic. So Matic is pretty good coin for future. I heard that this project is solid, but I personally didn't invest on this. But I can suggest, if you're investing on Dogecoin or Shiba coin, it is far better than that. Like, that's gambling if you're putting your coins on some meme coins. So yeah, there's a person line. This position got a very good support level, let's say. And this first chant, short last chant. And again, there is very little. So if Rauch already touched 8% and now trying to go back to his support level. Everything if was good, soon this will bounce back. Here I go. Oop, break this. So yeah, that's my prediction. But again, market is volatile. Anything can go right or wrong. Who knows? Maybe it dumps even more to this position. Yeah. And there is another project 88, which is also known as Cardano. There you go. You can try looking on the short-term candles. There, which is currently pricing 0.4 bucks. Very good price to buy, I'll say. You can see its all-time high was 1.2. No, 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 no. More. I'll just go on the chart and there it's highest is $3. Wow, that's so undervalued then. So undervalued. From here at this position. It's like 84, 85, 87. Oh, 87. Oh, yes. So yeah, everything dipped hard because of BTC dump. So now hope everything goes good and it is just pumping